Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. I'm back in the kitchen. I really want to talk about last night's meal. Coconut curry shrimp with pineapple rice. Oh, I'm so sorry Robin missed this one. And she is too. Very, very, very good. It just happens that the curry paste that I use, it's got some spice to it, but it's not bad. It just had just enough. And I love the pineapple rice. It's a great twist. The pineapple just adds some sweetness and some zip and tang. And I'm not talking about hot zip, obviously, but you know what I mean? It's umami. I haven't used that word in a while. And I microwaved the jasmine rice. It's really, really simple, and it came out perfect. Yes. I'm going to share up both of these recipes. They are definitely a try. You must try these. This is very, very good. For tonight's dinner, I'm going to be preparing Thai basil chicken stir fry. Yeah, this is pretty good Thai. Let's take a look. Got some hardware going. Got a Dutch oven. The wok is back out today. And the colander. I'll tell you mine in a second. We'll be using chicken thighs. It's about a pound. A little bit of oil for the wok. I'm going to use up some of these carrots that I bought last week. Red bell pepper, sliced onion, red chili peppers. For the sauce is oyster sauce, fish sauce, rice vinegar, soy sauce. Of course, there's garlic. Making this Thai, I'm so glad I have this, but I'll be using the Thai basil that I bought and dried last late summer, and just a little bit of sugar for the sauce. I've had rice a couple days this week, so I'm actually going to serve this over rice noodles linguine style. Of course, a little bit of kosher salt and some black pepper. So this is tonight's Thai chicken stir fry. So, on this Sunday, the weather's cloudy here in Southern County, California. We're not supposed to be getting rain, I think, until tomorrow. We got a lot of rain over the weekend. I can hardly wait to see Bob Harlan's weather report tomorrow morning, because he will give us an update on how much rain we got over the weekend. So, on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.